So I have been having a terrible time trying to get the VHS tape to come off. So this is try number 3. I've used every trick in the book. Let's see if this works this time. And I don't know which end I'm supposed to be starting from. I'm pretty sure it's this one. No, that looks wrong. Yeah, that looks wrong. All right. Here we go. Well, it's a miracle. Oh, that's curious. Oh, that's the inside. All right, so that looks like it broke. Did it break? Yeah, that's the inside. Yeah. So we need to get this started again. Uh-huh. Oh, look at that. So I've got a significant overlap on this VHS tape that only exposes a little bit of the tape to the epoxy, which, oops, here we go. Yep, is that working? That's working. So that is a crinkled finish. Uh-huh. Looks like I got some stuck on there. Yep, look at that. So I'm getting it, but it's not without its problems. Oops. So I did leave some tape in the center there, and that just peeled off. Just amazing. Yep, that peeled off. So let's go back and try and find these. So this is clearly way too much trouble. I can use 3mm plastic. It works perfect every time. May not give the same finish, but at least it works. Just baffling. Huh. Huh. Just baffling. What could the trick possibly be? Huh. The finish is really nice on the epoxy though. Got the glass on the outside, which gives that iridescent look to the epoxy. Yeah, it's just such a shame.